Welcome everybody. This is another walkthrough. This one is for Nahamcon 2023. It just finished. This is Wordle Bash. So let's hop right in. So Wordle Bash, it's a bash script. You go ahead and spin it up. You get an SSH into container. You're able to run one script as root. And I already went ahead and I downloaded it. Increase this a little bit. So the important part here is where we can get some command injection. I was not familiar with GUM, so I had to learn a little bit about that. But the big thing is right here, we have some sub commands being run on the bash shell. And it's passing in our input, what we get from right here, the guest state, without doing any type of filtering. So we're able to utilize that to execute some commands. I tried doing some stuff with like sub commands, but I didn't really like it. The one way that I found it, I'm assuming this was the intended way, was being able to use, well, if we go ahead and hop over here, we can do date with help, and we can see that one of the flags, I can scroll, is the -F, and it's a passing a file to read in the date. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna there we go. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and SSH in here. Pass. All right, and so we can see that we have the shell script right here in the base. We can also do a cat on Etsy sudoers, or sudo-l if you want. But you can see right here that we are able to, as root, run this script. So if we can get file read, we can get commands injection. Well, we can get command injection as root. So let's go ahead and just hop right in. So we're going to do sudo home user wordle bash. Put in our password. And so it is, GUM basically allows you to create this nice user interface for command line or for shell, bash shell scripts. And so you can see I'm just putting in whatever I want because the important part is right here. So as we can see in this, if we do not, so it says you've entered whatever the guest date is that right? And if you confirm, then it will confirm and it will break. Else, it will say, please enter the date that you want. And then this gives us the ability to just enter in whatever we are looking for right there. And that's exactly what we want, because before we were just selecting from options, but here we actually have the ability to enter in something. So you can see here. So we're going to go ahead and I already tried. The first thing I tried was, okay, well, let's try root flag.text. And so we can do that, but you can see that, sorry, your flag will not be displayed until you have, will be displayed once you have code execution. So flag.text isn't what we're looking for. So the other option, the only thing I could think of that might possibly be there, we can do /f, and then we can go snooping for a private key file. So we can go ahead and take this, I can copy it, right? Let's bring this over here. Actually, I already have it, so I went ahead and I just converted it. So here's the Wordle SSH file. I don't know if it's, assuming it's not any different. I'm going to see if it will just let me in using it. So let me open a new tab, cd over into my documents. Wordle, yeah, word SSH is right here. So we need to know what our port is. 32607. 607, and we'll do -I, and we'll specify our private key. And I already have set it to chmod 600. If you haven't done that already, you can want to do that. And we'll just do challenge nahamcon.com. Try, we get in. And so now you can see that we're in the root user's home directory. And there is this application we can run. So if we run that, basically press enter and you get your flag. That's how you solve it. Thanks, and I'll see you guys later.